All right, hello everyone. Welcome back. Thank you for being here. I am going to do something kind of fun tonight. So I found a new tool. I mean, it's not new. It's an 4-in-1 avocado tool. So I had some of these leftover colors and I had said in my leftover paints video that had the orange and that like dark green color that I would do one with a wrecked ring pour. So I don't have any more orange because if you remember, I used that around the sides, but I do still have the green color. I'm using basically the same, but instead of orange, I'm going to alternate it with silver instead. So replace it with silver. So this is the tool here. I don't know which side I'm going to use yet. I think this side, because I think when I scrape through, I don't really know. I don't know what's going to happen, but I'm excited to start. So I am going to mix my paints first. I thought about what I want to do to start. I don't know. I think I'm going to do this light blue color because I don't have any white, but I want to have something like, you have to think about whatever color goes in the bottom is going to be your color that is predominant as you stretch it out. Like, Molly, use your words. I can't talk to you today. So I'm going to pour into the bottom here. And I did think about the way I was going to layer these. So I'm going to do the light blue. I have a couple of air bubbles. There we go. And then I'm gonna tilt it to the side. A good layer of that because those colors together mix to be a really pretty purple as well. Then I'm going to do the green. Woo! Got a little bit of that out there. Then my light pink. That green and the pink, the rose madder, is also making a really cool color. Now I'm gonna come in. Oh, this green is a lot thicker now. Oh man, I hope that's gonna work. I might need to add just a little bit of water. You can always freshen up your paints this way. Just a splash of water will make it a lot more pourable. I wonder if I should start over or if that will be good. This is going to be a troubleshooting thing here. Maybe I'll just leave it and we'll see what happens. But at least I thinned it back out. I didn't pour like a ton of it in there because I noticed it. All right. I always feel like it's something that happens, but yeah, it's definitely thick. I don't know. It may, so the issue and why I'm like worried about it is because when I pour it out and stretch it out, the paint won't flow the same if they're not the same consistency. So, I don't know if I should just like pour it out now. I might pour it out now. I might pour it out now. Okay. I just poured that into my trash can. It was an easy fix. Like, not that bad. Okay. Now I'm gonna go again. Still kind of thick, but definitely better than it was. Now I'm gonna come back in. I just had a little bit of blue. Oh, I forgot my silver. Gonna do, dang, I forgot my silver. And that's gonna end up on the outside of this now. You know, whatever. It's leftover paints, right, Molly? So come on. And I have no idea if this tool is actually going to work either. So, all right, I think that's it. Got to improvise sometimes. Okay, so I am going to pour this out. I was trying to decide, I think I am going to do like an actual ring pour and then wreck it. I was thinking about a straight pour and wrecking it, but I think I'll start with this. I just wanted to get it flowing first. I actually just started to do a straight pour. Ooh, that blue. And the center doesn't really matter because I'm wrecking it. So I might do like a little swirly cue. And do you know what I feel like doing? Oh, that's really pretty. I got some cells there on the side. I feel like maybe adding, I have never actually done this, I don't think, but I feel like adding a little bit of silver into it over here before I wreck it. Like, why not, right? Oh, man, that center, wow. That center, wow. I may not wreck that because I love it. It looks like a rose or a carnation. Dang, I always don't want to wreck these after I'm done with them. And I'm sure, yay, I used up all the green. And I'm sure all of you feel the same way. Like, what are you doing? Stop. I felt like I had one little lump that came through here, but I didn't see it. So I'm going to torch. Oh, I found the torch. It doesn't say Urban Creator on it, but I found it on eBay. I will, if I remember, try to link it in the description. I'm not like an affiliate or anything, like I don't get any money for it, but I love this torch. It's lasted me a long time, and Urban Creator stopped making it, and I found it. A viewer had told me a long time ago about that torch on eBay. Completely forgot about it until I was looking up torches for the classes to order extra ones, and I found it, so I was really excited. So now I don't have to worry if this one, when this one conks out, I have another one. All right, I'm gonna go ahead. This green is actually really pretty with this rose. I'm just stretching it out a little bit. I'm really trying to decide if I want to wreck it or not. I'm going to. Okay. All right. I don't know if it's going to work. Oh, it's not working. It's not working. Okay, let's see if this side does it. No, it's not working. I thought for sure, oh, I'm gonna drip. I thought for sure if I could get down under the paint that this lip would do it. I do have another tool back there that I can use. I think I'm actually gonna use it. Avocado tool. I'm gonna try it one more time. Yeah, it scrapes everything off the lip right there. Needed to be a little bit flatter. So the people that make the avocado tool, if you would like to make a just kidding. Okay. This was sent to me by Shannon's Designs, and I'm going to use this instead. Oh, I'm so glad I switched. I want that part to stay the way that it is. Shannon, this is amazing. I guess I'll wash off the avocado tool and use it for avocados. I cracked myself up. Okay, I'm going to. Sometimes I feel sorry for all the corny stuff that you guys have to sit through. All right, so I'm going to. Y'all, that center rose in there is stunning. I'm gonna stretch down this way first, I think. What? I love it. And then I'm gonna get that corner right there and bring that back. Look at that rose in the center. Wow. I do have a couple of lumps. I am gonna try to get those out, but wow. The center of this one is so pretty. All right, I'm gonna clean up, wipe those tools off, and then I'll show you. Okay, there, the light's off of it there. So I did have to stretch it out because the rose was over here to begin with, but I did have some lumps. But look at that little like carnation. That is super pretty. The lines, super interesting. The green color, really like it. I'm glad I added that silver because look at the silver right there. Super funky, super abstract, my favorite part. And they're like lined in pink. My camera's not autofocusing. Super fun though. All right, I'll show you how it dries. Here it is, and that rose. So as I looked back at the video, I wish that that rose part right there had been bigger as it was before I stretched it out. But I had just a couple of little lumps that I picked out, and I wanted to just get them off the canvas. So I ended up tilting, and then when I went to tilt it back towards the center, it just wasn't tilting right. And I wanted to keep the rose, well, I don't know if it's a rose, but I wanted to keep that little flower intact. So I left it the way that it was, but I don't know if you can see it in the light. Let me see if I can get you, but that silver shines. I'm still not sure about that minty green color, but the blue and the pink together. And again, for an experiment with an avocado tool and wrecking it and having all these fun colors for leftover paints, I'm really pleased with it. That, I absolutely love that little river as well that's right there. Let me see if I can, yeah. But anywho, hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Happy painting. Bye.